Good morning, Geometry iPad Initiative students. This is Mr. Lane again, coming at you with section 5.4, the triangle midsegment theorem. In this lesson, of course, we'll be using some properties of the triangle midsegments. I bet you can't guess how many they have, by the way, since every other special segment that we've had has had the same number. Let's see, of course, we'll have the secret word on this one. I'll make sure I put it in here somewhere, so be paying attention for that. Read through the why. Make sure you answer number 5. As always, some of you guys have been skipping it, costing you a point, so make sure you answer it and send it to me in your notes. Let's move on. Alright, so mid-segment of a triangle is a segment that connects the midpoints of two sides of the triangle. So now, instead of a vertex going down to the midpoint, which was a median, we're going to have two midpoints of the two sides connected together. And that's going to be our mid-segment. Every triangle has, you got it, 3 mid-segments, just like every other special segment that we've had. And then we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. We've got the midsegment theorem. This is the segment connecting the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is going to be parallel to the third side, and it's also going to be half as long as that third side. So let's pull this out real quick here. We got a triangle right here. Notice that with the markings, D is going to be a midpoint and E is going to be a midpoint. So if we connect those, that's going to be the mid-segment. Alright, and the mid-segment is going to be parallel to the third side. So the little black arrows mark the parallel. And also we know that whatever BC's length is here, half of it is going to be DE. So real quick, a couple things. Let's say this was 10, this would be 5. So real nice and easy how to get to your answer knowing that. So let's go ahead and move on here real quick. We got an example 1. We got D is a mid-segment, so we know that these two are going to be congruent. We know that these two are going to be congruent. I'm going to go ahead and mark that in the picture real quick. It says find the values of X and Y. So here's X, there's Y. Let's see if there's any hard stuff we need to do here. Well, obviously we've already got this marked congruent with this, so X has got to be 8. By the way, this is going to be parallel to this, so we'll just go ahead and mark that. And then it looks like if this is 3, the midsegment's 3, well, that's half of what the Y value is, so Y must be 6. We'd have to multiply the 3 by 2 to get the full length down here. So that seemed pretty easy. Let's move on here. Got another quick example. We're supposed to find the measures of DB, which is this right here. So let's see, it's a mid-segment to this third side right down here. So it's going to be half of what looks like is 17. So 17 divided by 2 is going to be what, about 8.5. Can't write. There we go. 8.5. And then let's see, we're supposed to find the measure of angle CBD. So this one right here. So looks like I've got 26 right here. We've got some parallel lines. We see that. So it looks like we've got another mid-segment right down over here. So this is the mid-segment to this third side. So if I mark this as a transversal, then knowing that these two green lines are going to be parallel, looks like I've got alternate interior angles. So this angle right here would have to be 26 degrees. So all those angles for the transversal that came up before, looks like they're going to come up again in this lesson. So I hope you learned them way back then, because it will sure help out. Let's move on. Regular geometry class would be doing 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, and 16 from page 324. The iPad Initiative class always has theirs on their Lumen website. Let's see, we got another example here. By the way, secret word today, llamas. Yeah, look it up if you don't know how to spell it. First one to send it to me, 2 points. Easy 2 points in the bag. Alright, in a A-frame support, The distance PQ is 46. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that down here. So PQ right down here, not drawn in there. We're going to draw it in, and we're going to mark that 46. What is the length of the support? ST, and S and T are the midpoints of the sides. So it looks like the mid segment again is ST, and so half of 46 would be the ST length, which would be 23. So 23 inches would be our answer for that support. Let's move on. Regular geometry class would be doing 9 and 17. iPad again on your site. It looks like we have one more quick example here. I'm going to go ahead and mark these in the diagram here. So we got VW, this one right here is 2x minus 4, and then we got RS, this long length here, which looks like it's going to be our third side, is 3x minus 3. Alright, so we know that twice this, or if we double this, it's equal to that third side. So I think we just want to take 2 times 2x minus 4 and set that equal to our 3x minus 3. So a little distributive property right here will give us a little 4x minus 8, still equal to the 3x minus 3. We got to bring those x's to the same side, so we're going to subtract the 3x, which is just going to give us x. I'm going to drop that minus 8 equals a negative 3. Let's extend the page, and let's see, add 8 to both sides. Bada boom, bada bang, and we got 5 for x. There we go. If we want to find the actual length, then we do, because it says find the length of VW right here. So we got to take that 5 value and plug it right back into our original expression. So we're going to have 2 times 5 minus the 4. So 10 minus 4 is going to give us 6 for this. And then if we wanted the full length of that, that would, for the third side, it would have to be 12. Bam, bam, we're done. Alright, there's the up one, down one, and that should wrap us up for today. So good luck if you have any boxes. Here they go. Clicker's not quite working, so I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Mr. Lane signing off from OHS High School. Have the rest of a good day.